At LJ, we make your problems go away.
Hi everybody, this is Bonnie Leonardo. I'm coming to you from Kansas City, Missouri. I am currently in a legal seminar, and we had a small debate or discussion in regards to the differences between settlement conferences and going to trial. I thought it was an opportunity for me to discuss with you the differences and just to address the simplicity of a settlement conference versus a trial. In a settlement conference, what you do is a very informal meeting, and it's just usually you and your attorney, the other side's attorney, and the other side, as well as usually is a senior settlement judge. This kind of settlement is preferred to me over going to trial, as you have more control over the issues in your case, you have more control over your life, as you and your spouse can both come to an agreement as to the issues that are before you in your divorce or in your custody battle. It is a way for you to make your decisions and not let a judge who doesn't really know your ins and outs and your story and your history to make decisions for you. And as I said, it's very informal, so there is no going to court, there's no witnesses, there's no expert witnesses, there's no a lot of discovery. It's basically just a discussion between the two sides and a mediator or the senior settlement judge. This is also a cheaper way and a less antagonistic way for you and your spouse to settle your divorce or your custody, because as we know, you are going to still, if there are small children involved in your case, still be in contact with your spouse, with your ex-spouse, for the duration of your children's lives. And so it's best to have that amicable agreement, as you know that you will be later on dealing with each other later on through the years. A lot of attorneys, a discussion that we had is a lot of attorneys don't like settlement conferences because they feel that the settlement judges are not as involved or is not as in tune with the situation, and so they prefer to go to trial where they can lay out their case, they can have witnesses come forth, and they can really lay out the case specifically in front of a judge and let the judge understand the dynamics of the case. I am of a different opinion. I believe that the settlement conference is a better way to settle issues, is a more amicable way, is a cheaper way, is a quicker way, and it leaves both parties in a better position to be able to deal with each other in the future. It's not so antagonistic. And also, you are in control of your situation. You are in control of your future, and you don't have a third party telling you what you must do from now on with your life, with your kids, with your divorce. So I'm a big proponent of a settlement conference. In our offices, in my office specifically, I do 90% of my divorces are settled through a settlement conference. And I feel like my clients are happy about that. They like that much better. And it seems to just be a better result all around. If you are interested in learning more about the differences, if you're interested in maybe going through a settlement conference as opposed to trial in your current divorce or your custody case, give me a call. Let's talk about it. I can explain it a little bit further and see if that's better for you and your situation. Thanks a bunch for listening, and I will talk to you next time.
At LJ, we make your problems go away.